Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit task templates in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. Scroll down to your project section and click on the project where you have your task templates. Now in order to edit it, as you can see, I have converted this task to template. In order to edit it, I would have to go right here to customize and then select task templates. Here I have all my task templates added to my project, and in order to edit them I have to click on these three dots and then click on edit. Now I can edit name, assignees, due dates, projects, dependencies, descriptions, collaborators, and so much more. When I am done, as you can see, all edits will be auto-saved. So press done. And it is really simple. If you want to delete this template, you can also do it from here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.